Have you heard about it? Recently, there is a new type of drug being widely sold in our town.
Really? But isn't Sheriff Babin already investigating this matter?
That's right, but the Babin police were on a mission. Met a fierce big black dog. He fought fiercely with that big dog all afternoon, although narrowly won. But unfortunately, he was still injured, currently under hospital treatment.
This is really unexpected.
But I heard that a new police officer has arrived. He is taking over this case.
Who is knocking at the door?
It seems that he has already arrived.
I'll go open the door for him.
That's right, that's it. Everywhere is filled with the smell of crime. I need to take good care of the atmosphere here. Hello everyone in Canton. My name is Jumi. Currently, drug crimes are rampant in our town. I have been instructed by General Babin. We will conduct a carpet search here. Please cooperate.
This person is too boastful.
It doesn't seem like some kind of stubbornness.
The foolish appearance of the police chief. Not at all handsome, I hate him.
Search from all corners first. No one is allowed to leave a single spot. There are quite a few things found during the search. Between meal nibbles, toy, and this. This is much more than what I earned as a police officer.
What everyone originally thought was that this police officer was a messenger of justice. But unexpectedly, he was an unexpected guy, see. He forcibly searched for other cards' belongings with the convenience of his authority. Not only that, but he also forced others to cohabit with him. Cards suffer unbearably.
That's so disgusting. I'm also one of the top beauties in our cat town. Unexpectedly bullied by a stinky fat cat.
Sister, I deeply sympathize with your plight.
What should we do?
It's okay, I already have a plan.
Anyway, the food here is really delicious. Let me try this again. Powder-like things.
BDC.
What's going on? Am I right? Is this police officer taking drugs? Oh no, I have to call the police. The police should come soon. I'll stay by his side first to avoid causing trouble.
Why are you arresting me? No, no.
Finally drove this villain out of our town. But where did this drug come from?